We had a devotee of our temple. He was an astrologer. He had one high-profile client who was the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. The Prime Minister said, back in my country, the army, the air force, the navy, everything is under my control and they follow my command. But there is one person who won't follow my direction. That's my wife. Sandahyamana sarvanga esha mudvahanathina. Just like you may see a shadow of a mango. If you try to bite the shadow, you will not get the sweetness of a mango. But the very fact that there is a shadow which looks like a mango indicates that there is a mango elsewhere. In the same way, just like there is a family here which looks like very enjoyable, but there is a true family in Krishna Loka, where Krishna is the center of everything in that family. Here in this world, each one of us are striving to become the center of our families. In this spiritual world, it's a completely different thing.